Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Hannah Magat from DMCI Homes. I'm here right now in Satori Residences, which is located in Pasig, near the LRT station of Santolan. As you see here, it's already evening, which means that I'll make a separate video for the morning, also the unit room showing with the basement, because for now I'll film the outdoor views of Satori Residences, especially in the roof deck area. So this view here is the Sky Paseo, which is in the second floor with the main atrium. So let's go! So this is the view of the other building in Satori Residences. As you see, there are some Christmas lights, especially it's a New Year's Day. You could see also the swimming pool. So this is the elevator area of Satori Residences, and we'll be going to the roof deck area. As you see here, I really love the decorations here, especially it's very unique. So let's show the other side of the view. So this is the LRT area. As you see here in the right side, you could see Ayala Malls Feliz with the cars there. As I look at it from the view, it's very near to SM Marikina. But when you travel, sometimes it's traffic in going there. To enjoy seeing both of the malls in the Sky Promenade, Satori Residences is a very good place to stay in, especially when you want to go to malls a lot. Also take the train. So this is the roof deck area. As you see, the elevator is also very fast. This is the view from the Sky Promenade area. As you see, it's already evening and you could see the lights around and also this beautiful view. So this is the full tour of the Sky Promenade of Satori Residences. It's very beautiful. As you see there, you could see the LRT station with SM Marikina. So this is the other view of the Sky Promenade in the other side. As you look closely, you can see a lot of malls here, especially Robinsons and Santa Lucia Mall, and also Pure Gold. As you see, it's also kind of traffic. Wow! As you look at here, you could see the other views of the condo. As you see right there, you could see the other building of Satori Residences, except it's also until the roof deck area, because a while ago I was at the second floor. Then when you see below, you can see the swimming pools of Satori Residences. It's really not that clear in the symbol since it's already evening. You see here in that area, you can see another DMCI Homes condominium, which is really why I love seeing Sky Promenade a lot, because you could see the other condos of DMCI Homes, just like in Prisma Residences, when you can see Fairlane Residences, also Sheridan Towers, also Brixton. We'll be going to the lobby area of Satori Residences to show how it looks like. So this is the lobby area wherein you can see the Christmas tree decorations. Then also a few outdoor areas as you see here. The view is still very beautiful. You can see also the jogging path area. Let's take a walk around Satori Residences so that we'll be able to see the design of the logo, which is Japanese. As you see here, I'm enjoying walking a lot because you'll be able to enjoy the other views. You can bring your pet along. As you see here, you can see the people who are staying in Satori Residences. So we'll take a walk around it. So we're gonna pass by the other buildings of Satori. As you see, you can see also the Sky Pasho. We'll pass by also the lobby of the other buildings. As you notice here, the jogging path is very long. You can do around 10,000 steps also. As a person who loves to exercise a lot. When you see here, you could see the co-working space. I'll put that in another video since we are filming the outdoor areas. As you see, we are in the other side of Satori Residences. And you'll be able to see the basketball court. So this is the basketball area. This condo is really Japanese inspired, just like in Sky Garden. You can see also the other outdoor amenities. As you see there, you can see the play area for the kids also to enjoy. As you pass by here, you could see the swimming pools. This is the kiddie pool. As you can see the slide. It's very big and massive. Then this can be the resting area wherein you can relax and chill while enjoying looking at the view, especially the swimming pool. As you can see here, you can see the logo of Satori Residences with the Sky Paseo area. It's really very peak. You can also see the Christmas lights in this area. It's very beautiful here. This is so beautiful because this reminds me of the sakura blossom in Japan. You can see also the beautiful lights here. So this is the lobby area of Satori Residences. You can see the Christmas area and also the elevator. That is all for the tour today in Satori Residences regarding the outdoor areas and also the Sky Promenade, Sky Paseo, and the lobby area. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to message me in the contact details for site viewing, tripping, or more information about this condo and the other DMCI Homes condominiums. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye! God bless you all and Happy New Year!